Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's so great to see you again. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY, I'll be creating an entryway table and wall clock using hula hoops. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. For my first DIY, I'll be creating an entryway table and I'll start off with using 3 20-inch hula hoops. Next, I'll be removing the wrappers so I'll have a smooth surface. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll take the connectors and I'll glue them back on all 3 hula hoops. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms linked below. Next, I'll be positioning all 3 hoops, leaving an oval shape in the center. Next, I'll be using zip ties and I'll use these to hold both hoops together. I'll be applying hot glue for extra hold. Next, I'll bring back my third hoop and I'll place my double hoops that I tied together on top, and then I'll continue the same steps with my zip ties and I'll use hot glue to hold it in place while I zip tie them together. Next, I took my hoops to a well-ventilated area and spray painted 2 coats of metallic gold. Next, I'll be using 4 30-inch PCV pipes and I'll be filling up the ends on both sides with hot glue, creating plugs. Once I was done, I spray painted all 4 metallic gold and then I put them aside. Next, I'll be using cardboard that I cut to size and I'll be using 4 and I'll be gluing all 4 together. Next, I'll be using foam board that I cut to size and I'll be using 2 and I'll glue them on both sides of the cardboard. As you can see, it's very strong and thick and I'll be using one for the bottom base and my tabletop. Next, I'll take them both and I'll cover them with gold mirror reflection paper. Once my hoops were dry, I'll start applying mirror mosaic tiles. For the center to cover the imperfections, I use 1-inch mirror tiles. Next, I'll bring back my PCV pipes and I'll start marking my placements on the bottom base. Once I was done, I'll apply hot glue on each marking and then I'll glue on my PCV pipes, and this is just to hold them in place, and I use anything that I could, like vases, just to hold them straight up. For a better hold, I use my hand drill and 2-inch screws, and I screw one screw on all 4 sides. To cover the screws so they won't be visible, I use pieces of mirror reflection paper. I repeated the same steps on the tabletop. Next, I'll bring back my hoops and I'll place it on top, and I'll use zip ties to hold it in place, and then I went back with hot glue for a better hold. To cover the zip ties, I use mirror mosaic tiles. I also use mosaic tiles to cover my front corners, and I also use mosaic tiles to cover the PCV pipes only in the front. For my second DIY, I'll be creating a wall clock, and I'll start off with reusing foam board. Next, I'll bring back my 4th hoop that I already spray painted in gold, and I'll place it on top of the foam board, and then I'll take my long ruler and I'll place markings because I'll be making a large pyramid shape. Next, I'll bring back my long ruler and pencil, and I'll draw 2 straight lines, and then I'll use my box cutter to cut out the shape. I also covered it with gold mirror reflection paper. Next, I'll bring back my hoop and I'll place my cutout on top, and then I'll flip it onto the back side and place markings with my pencil. I apply a generous amount of hot glue on my markings, and then I glued on my hoop. Around the edges of my cutout, I'll be applying single strips of mirror mosaic tiles. I also apply mosaic tiles around the hoop like I did with the table. I purchased this clock kit that comes with vintage hands and a battery pack. I took a large skewer and I made a hole 6 inches from the top, and then I'll be placing my battery pack from the back side. I'll be holding my battery pack with a nut washer, and it holds in place very well and strong. Next, I'll be attaching both clock hands. I also apply single strips of mosaic tiles on the bottom side of my cutout. To hang my clock, I'll be using the battery pack. I really do love the way this wall clock and the entryway table turned out, and it's a perfect set for the entryway. If you decide to recreate this set, you will love the gold color and the shimmering they'll bring into that special room. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed both DIYs as much as I enjoyed creating them. Now don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you on my next DIY upload.